SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to shut down iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you're troubleshooting your iPhone and you need to turn it off, or if you're not going to be using the device for a while and you want to save some battery life, then familiarizing yourself with the shutdown process can be a helpful thing to learn. There's two different ways that you can shut down your iPhone. The first option involves the buttons on the outside of the device. So to do the shutdown using the buttons, you're going to press and hold the volume up button and the side button at the same time. It looks like this. That's going to bring up a screen that shows a slide to power off option as well as medical ID and emergency call if those are set up. So if you want to shut down the phone, then you would just drag the slider to the right and then the phone would turn off. Another option that you have for shutting down your iPhone can be found in the settings menu. You can do this by opening the settings app. You can then scroll down to the general section and select that. And then you can scroll to the bottom of this screen where you're going to see that there's a shutdown option there as well. That's going to bring up a screen similar to the one that we got to before with the buttons. So now you just need to drag the slider to the right to turn off the phone. And then after a few seconds, the phone screen is going to go entirely dark. And then once the phone is finished shutting down, it's going to stay off until you manually turn it back on. You can turn the phone back on by pressing and holding the side button on the right until you see a white Apple logo. And once you see that white Apple logo, then you can let go of the side button, and then the phone's going to continue booting up, at which point you're going to be able to enter your passcode to start using it again. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.